So if you guys are looking for a way to easily dress up your kitchen, an easy way to do that is to install cabinet pull handles. So in today's video, we're gonna install those. I'm gonna show you everything that's involved. What you're gonna wanna do to easily do this properly and have good fitment is you're gonna wanna get a pull handle installation kit. Now this kit comes with two different pieces, one to help you install the pull handles evenly on the cabinet doors, on kitchen drawers as well. So I ordered this kit from Amazon, which I'll have linked down below. And first thing you're gonna wanna do when you get started is you wanna line up the holes with the pull handles, and then you're gonna wanna use a marker to mark which holes to drill. The nice thing with this kit is it comes with the proper size drill bit. And now what I'd recommend doing is drill directly through the kit itself. That's gonna allow you to get perfect pinpoint accuracy every time, and it's going to make sure that those handles are looking straight and looking good. All right, from here we can go ahead and slip our mounting hardware in. I like to go ahead and tighten this all down by hand, just using a Phillips screwdriver, just to ensure that I'm not stripping anything out and everything lines up properly. Now that that's done, we can go ahead and install the next one. And we're just going to be the same process, rinse and repeat. We're going to drill, put the hardware through, and get everything looking good. And as you guys can see, we are done, and it looks freaking awesome. And the thing I like about these handles is it makes it a lot easier to open the cabinet, and it keeps your fingerprints off of them, as well as if your hands are dirty, it isolates it all to the handle that can be just easily wiped off. Give these a quick wipe now that we're done. So I did the install on all of these handles before I started today's video, and it took me about 10 minutes. Definitely drill through the template. I tried marking, like you can see where I changed where I wanted these. Actually, my wife told me where she wanted them. But I marked with a marker and then attempted to drill. And these ones are a little crooked because the template, when you drill through the plastic itself, it helps to center that drill bit every single time. That way you get a perfect install. So make sure you drill through the template. That way your holes line up perfectly and everything will turn out a little bit better. You can see those are a little crooked if you look really close, but other than that, it's perfect. That's gonna end today's video, guys. If you thought this installation video was helpful, hit the thumbs up, subscribe. I will have a link in the description down below for the handles that I used, as well as other options I'd recommend, as well as the install kit and the tools that you'll need to get the job done yourself. Let me know if you'd like me to make episode 2. We still have to pick out whether we want a handle here or a knob, and how we're gonna kind of lay out the bottom. I do, like if I want a handle on the big drawers that open like that, like a little knob. And I'm thinking like maybe a knob right here, so I can just reach down with my hand and, you know, open that. And what I like about that, specifically below the sink, is I don't want to keep getting water on this because we're going to eventually lose the stains. So let me know if you guys want to see episode 2. Leave me a comment. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.